Nestled in the heart of Jiangsu Province, Tongli Ancient Town is a living testament to China's rich past. Imagine stepping back in time, 1,000 years into a world of canals, bridges, and ancient homes. This is Tongli, a place where time seems to flow at a different pace. The town, crisscrossed by canals and dotted with traditional houses, offers a glimpse into a bygone era. Founded during the Song Dynasty, Tongli's existence is deeply intertwined with water. The town's prosperity was built on its canals, which served as vital trade routes. Today, these waterways continue to define Tongli's character, lending it a unique charm. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this enchanting water town. Tongli's historical significance is evident in its well-preserved architecture. The town boasts over 100 gardens, 49 bridges, and numerous temples and ancestral halls. Each structure whispers tales of a bygone era, reflecting the architectural styles and cultural influences of their time. The most famous of these structures is perhaps the Tuisi Garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This exquisite garden, with its pavilions, rockeries, and ponds, embodies the principles of classical Chinese garden design. As we stroll through its winding paths, we can almost hear the echoes of scholars composing poetry and artists capturing its beauty on silk scrolls. Tongli's gardens are not merely places of beauty, they are havens of tranquility and contemplation. These gardens, with their meticulously designed landscapes, offer a serene escape from the chaos of modern life. Each element, from the placement of rocks to the flow of water, is carefully crafted to create a harmonious environment. The Retreat and Reflection Garden, for instance, invites visitors to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. This garden, with its quiet corners and reflective waters, encourages a moment of introspection. Visitors can wander through its winding paths, finding solace in the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of water. Its serene ponds filled with colorful koi fish and its bamboo groves whispering in the breeze create an atmosphere of peace and serenity. The sight of the koi fish gliding gracefully through the water adds a touch of liveliness to the tranquil setting. The bamboo groves, with their tall, slender stalks, provide a sense of seclusion and privacy. But Tongli's charm extends beyond its gardens. The town itself, with its ancient architecture and winding waterways, is a living testament to China's rich cultural heritage. Walking through Tongli feels like stepping back in time, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. The town's 49 bridges, each with its unique design and history, are an integral part of its landscape. These bridges, spanning the town's numerous canals, are not just functional structures, but also works of art. Each bridge has its own tale, reflecting the craftsmanship and ingenuity of the builders. The Taiping Bridge, the Saiban Bridge, and the Jili Bridge are just a few examples of these architectural marvels. These bridges, with their intricate designs and historical significance, offer a glimpse into the past. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, connecting generations and preserving the town's legacy. These bridges are not just structures of stone and wood, they are symbols of connection, linking different parts of the town and its people. As people cross these bridges, they are reminded of the town's enduring spirit and the bonds that unite its community. The bridges of Tongli are more than mere pathways. They are the lifelines that weave the fabric of this ancient water town. Tongli is often called the Venice of the East, and for good reason. The town is interwoven with a network of canals that serve as its lifeblood. These waterways, some wide and others narrow, wind their way through the town, reflecting the sky and the ancient buildings that line their banks. Taking a boat ride along these canals is an experience not to be missed. As the boat gently glides through the water, you'll be treated to a unique perspective of the town. You'll see residents going about their daily lives, laundry drying in the sun, and children playing by the water's edge, their laughter echoing across the canals. Section 5. Whispers from the Past, the Legend of the Pearl Pagoda. Like any ancient town, Tongli is steeped in legends and folklore. The narrow streets and ancient buildings whisper tales of a bygone era, where every corner holds a story waiting to be told. One such legend tells the story of the Pearl Pagoda, a towering structure that once graced the town's skyline. This pagoda was not just any ordinary structure. It was a symbol of love, dedication, and the rich cultural heritage of Tongli. It is said that the pagoda was built by a wealthy merchant who wished to honor his beloved daughter. The merchant, known for his generosity and love for his family, spared no expense in constructing this magnificent edifice. The pagoda was said to be adorned with countless pearls, which shimmered and sparkled under the sun and the moon. These pearls were not just decorative, they were believed to have been imbued with the merchant's love and blessings for his daughter. However, one stormy night, the pagoda was struck by lightning and collapsed into the lake. The townspeople were devastated, as the pagoda had become a cherished landmark and a symbol of the town's history and culture. Legend has it that on certain nights when the moon is full and the water is calm, you can still see the reflection of the Pearl Pagoda, its pearls shimmering faintly beneath the surface. This ethereal sight is said to be a reminder of the enduring love between the merchant and his daughter, and the timeless beauty of Tongli's heritage. Section 6. A taste of Tongli, delights for the senses. No journey to Tongli is complete without sampling the local cuisine. The town is known for its fresh seafood, thanks to its abundance of waterways. One local specialty is the Squirrel-Shaped Mandarin Fish, a dish as visually appealing as it is delicious. Another must-try is the Tongli mutton, slow-cooked to perfection in a rich and flavorful broth. For those with a sweet tooth, the town offers a variety of traditional snacks and desserts, such as the sweet osmanthus cake and the sticky rice dumplings filled with red bean paste. Section 7. The rhythm of water, the flow of time. As you wander through the narrow alleys and across the arched bridges of Tongli, you'll notice a distinct rhythm to life here. It's the rhythm of the water, the gentle lapping of the canals against the stone embankments, the rhythmic dipping of oars as boats glide by. This rhythm seems to permeate every aspect of life in Tongli, from the leisurely pace of life to the traditional crafts that have been passed down through generations. Time seems to flow differently here, slower, more deliberately, as if in harmony with the ebb and flow of the water. Section 8. Preserving the past, embracing the future. Tongli's well-preserved state is a testament to the efforts of its residents and local authorities. The town has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and great care is taken to preserve its architectural and cultural heritage. However, Tongli is not frozen in time. While preserving its past, the town has also embraced modernity. You'll find comfortable accommodations, restaurants serving both traditional and modern cuisine, and shops selling local handicrafts alongside contemporary souvenirs. Section 9. Tongli. After dark, a tapestry of light and shadow. As dusk settles over Tongli, the town takes on a magical quality. The setting sun casts a warm glow on the ancient buildings, and the canals reflect the colors of the sky, transforming into ribbons of gold and crimson. As darkness descends, the town is illuminated by countless lanterns, their soft light creating an enchanting atmosphere. The bridges, adorned with glowing orbs, seem to float on the water, and the narrow alleys become even more atmospheric, inviting you to explore their hidden corners. Section 10. Practical tips for your Tongli adventure. Getting to Tongli is relatively easy, with frequent bus services from Shanghai and Suzhou. The town is compact and easily explored on foot, but be prepared for some cobblestone streets. Comfortable walking shoes are a must. The best time to visit Tongli is during the spring or autumn, when the weather is mild and pleasant. Be sure to try the local delicacies and don't forget to pick up some souvenirs, such as silk products or traditional Chinese paintings. Section 11. Farewell to Tongli, a journey remembered. As we bid farewell to Tongli, we carry with us the memories of a place where time seems to stand still. This ancient water town, with its intricate network of canals and timeless architecture, has a way of etching itself into the hearts of those who visit. The gentle lapping of the water, a soothing symphony that calms the soul, the scent of osmanthus flowers, a fragrance that fills the air with a sweet, nostalgic aroma, the laughter of children playing by the canals. These are the sensory impressions that will linger long after we've left. Their joy and innocence add a vibrant energy to the serene surroundings. Tongli is more than just a tourist destination. It's a journey back in time, a living museum where every street and building tells a story of a bygone era. It's a chance to experience the charm and tranquility of ancient China, to walk the same paths that have been trodden for centuries. It's a reminder that some things are timeless, enduring through the ages, like the beauty of nature, the power of history, and the stories that connect us to our past, and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. Each artifact, each preserved building, is a testament to the rich history and culture that defines Tongli. So come, lose yourself in the enchanting labyrinth of Tongli, wander through its narrow streets, and let the town reveal its secrets to you, and discover the magic that awaits. As the sun sets and the lanterns light up, Tongli transforms into a mystical wonderland.